If you're a fan of Casio's iconic AE-1200WH series, or just love watches that offer great value, there's something new you'll want to check out. Casio's adding a fresh twist to the lineup with the AE-1200WHL-5AV, and it's got a refined, more formal look while still keeping the rugged charm we love about the original. Let's dive into what makes this new model stand out. So, what's new? Well, for starters, Casio's swapping out the usual resin or stainless steel bands and giving us a genuine leather option this time. It brings a stylish brown body paired with a black bezel, and when you add the leather band into the mix, it gives off this outdoorsy yet dressy vibe. Basically, it's a watch you can wear whether you're out on an adventure or just want something that looks sharp for a casual day out. Now, don't worry. Casio hasn't changed the core features that made the AE-1200WH series a fan favorite. You've still got that 100-meter water resistance, an insane 10-year battery life, and a bunch of useful tools like the world map display, 4-city multi-time, a 1/100th of a second stopwatch, and 5 daily alarms. Plus, there's that handy amber LED light, countdown timer, and a full auto calendar set all the way until 2099. Basically, it's packed with everything you need and more. One small tweak you might notice is the redesigned face. Instead of the classic 10-year battery label below the LCD, Casio's added alarm WR and chrono there, and couple of changes here and there, giving the watch a fresh, modern look without taking away from the functionality. Price-wise, it's landing in Singapore at around 65 Singapore dollars, which is roughly $50. It's a bit more than previous models, but that leather band and overall upgraded style give it a premium feel that's worth it, especially if you've been eyeing something a little more polished, but still practical. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new design, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Peace out.